This American bridge was built in 1868, then moved to a completely different location. Hidden in rural Ohio, the old iron bridge looks like a forgotten piece of American engineering. But this bridge was not an ordinary design. It used a rare system called a Fink through-truss. It was originally part of a much larger three-span bridge crossing the Tuscarawas River. Then, in 1905, the old bridge was replaced, and one of its spans was saved. Workers dismantled the historic span and moved it to a new crossing over Conotton Creek.
For decades, the bridge stood quietly as traffic and technology changed around it.
Eventually, the aging structure was carefully restored to preserve its unusual 19th century design. In 2007, the restored bridge was reassembled and opened again for pedestrians and hikers. Today, it survives as a rare reminder of the engineering that built America.